So with that I thought I'd take a final walk. The tide of public opinion had started to abate. The neighbors, bless them, had turned out to be all talk. Could see their frightened faces peering at me through the gate. I was looking for an end to this, for some kind of closure. Time moved so rapidly I had no hope of keeping track of it. And I thought of my friends who had died of exposure, and I remembered other ones who had died from the lack of it. And in my best shoes I started falling forward down the street. Stopped at a church and jostled through the crowd. Love followed just behind me, panting at my feet as the steeple tore the stomach from a lonely little cloud. Inside I sat seeking the presence of a God. Searched through the pictures in a leather-bound book, and I found a woolly lamb dozing in an issue of blood, and a gilded Jesus shivering on a fisherman's hook. And babe, it seems so long since you've been gone.
That looks good. Fingers crossed.
Back on the street I saw a great big smiling sun. It was a good day and an evil day, and all was bright and
She lives. Thank fuck for that.